At Great American Insurance Group, we know the American farmer because we have been doing business with farming families for generations. We have been there as our agents sorted through endless hours of paperwork to be certain nothing was missed and offering a helping hand to see it through. Farmer and agent relationships remain strong, even through the farming industry revolution. The farming industry may be steeped in tradition, but technology has evolved. Today's farmers are doing business differently now, and they expect you to be with them, like you always have been. Automated processes and state-of-the-art facilities are paving the way for the next generation of success. No more pen, no more paper. Farmers have gone digital. They need accuracy and precision, and they need it faster than ever. And this is how you give your farmers what they need: industry-leading, cutting-edge technology. Great American's electronic acreage reporting. With Gear, you can increase the accuracy of your reports while reducing workloads and simplifying processes, all from your iPad. High-resolution digital imagery is paired with a system that can instantly calculate acreage, which crops were planted, when and where, significantly reducing the time it takes to complete acreage reports. Gear frees you from the office, available exclusively from Great American. This technology allows you to work even without an internet connection, so you can spend more time where it counts, with your farmers. No need to carry around stacks of maps. With Gear, our appointed agents can digitally complete and sign reports with their growers, wherever they are. Real-time digital reporting with a few taps of your finger. This is the way today's farmers do business. And this is just the beginning. The crop business has changed, but at Great American, we know the American farmer, and that will never change.